Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. In AWS IoT Analytics, what is a dataset? A virtual server. A set of data used for querying and analysis. A storage volume. A security policy. What is the first step in processing data in AWS IoT Analytics? Ingesting data through channels. Deploying models. Running SQL queries. Creating visualizations. Which AWS service can you use to visualize the data processed by AWS IoT Analytics? AWS Step Functions. Amazon S3. AWS Glue. Amazon QuickSight. Which AWS service can be used to create complex queries in AWS IoT Analytics? Amazon Rekognition. AWS S3. Amazon RDS. AWS Glue. Which feature of AWS IoT Analytics helps in reducing the cost of data analysis? Automated data summarization. Dedicated hardware usage. Manual data entry. Increased data storage requirements. Which type of analysis is AWS IoT Analytics especially suited for? Video streaming. Time series analysis. Image recognition. Text translation. What is the role of a channel in AWS IoT Analytics? To create visualizations. To collect data from IoT devices. To manage cloud resources. To secure network connections. How does AWS IoT Analytics support machine learning? By providing GPU instances. By hosting machine learning models. By preparing and processing data for analysis. By managing machine learning frameworks. What is a data store in AWS IoT Analytics? A tool for deploying applications. A scalable data repository for processed data. A network configuration tool. A service to create dashboards. How does AWS IoT Analytics ensure data integrity during processing? By storing data locally. By using dedicated hardware. By reducing data encryption. By validating and filtering data. What kind of analysis can be performed using AWS IoT Analytics? Video encoding. Website hosting. Predictive analytics. Game development. What is the function of the data management service in AWS IoT Analytics? To create machine learning models. To deploy IoT applications. To configure network settings. To manage and store IoT data. How does AWS IoT Analytics handle data storage? By requiring external storage solutions. By storing data locally on devices. Through scalable managed data stores. Using fixed-size storage volumes. What is AWS IoT Analytics primarily used for? To provide real-time video streaming. To collect, process, and analyze IoT data. To manage EC2 instances. To host websites. What type of storage is used for raw IoT data in AWS IoT Analytics? Channel storage. Database tables. Memory cache. Local disks. Can AWS IoT Analytics handle real-time data? No, it processes batch data only. Yes, it processes data in real time. No, it processes historical data only. Yes, but only for text data. What is a benefit of using managed data stores in AWS IoT Analytics? Local storage only. Scalability and ease of management. Manual data entry. Dedicated hardware requirement. Which AWS service is integrated with AWS IoT Analytics for data visualization? AWS CloudFormation. Amazon QuickSight. Amazon Redshift. AWS Lambda. What is the main purpose of an AWS IoT Analytics dataset? To configure network settings. To store raw data. To run queries on processed data. To manage user access. What type of data store is used in AWS IoT Analytics for long-term storage? Memory cache. Managed data store. SQL database. Virtual server. How does AWS IoT Analytics ensure data security? By preventing data storage. By restricting internet access. By using dedicated hardware. Through encryption and IAM policies. Which of the following is a benefit of using AWS IoT Analytics? Automated data processing and analysis. Dedicated hardware management. Increased data traffic. Manual data entry. Which AWS IoT Analytics feature helps in detecting data anomalies? Data filters. Data encryption. Pre-built templates. Virtual servers. In AWS IoT Analytics, what is the purpose of the SQL query engine? To run SQL queries against processed data. To deploy IoT applications. To create machine learning models. To manage data encryption. What is the function of a pipeline in AWS IoT Analytics? To create virtual machines. To deploy applications. To process messages through a series of activities. To manage databases. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.